So after watching the YouTube video about the HR diagram, I got kind of a better understanding as to the kind of sun that is capable of containing a habitable planet within its solar system, and on the flip side as well, the kind of stars that are not able to sustain a planet that has life. So to begin, the first thing that we need to create life, obviously, is water. And so we would first need to find a planet that is capable of producing water or has water on it already. And then for the star to make it habitable, it would need to be the perfect distance away from it, and the Goldilocks zone, kind of where the main sequence stars are, because they have a more regularized heat and energy coming out, as well as a balanced luminosity. And so those components, heat, distance, and luminosity, kind of play a huge role as to whether a sun or a star can contain a habitable planet within its solar system.